Hey guys, welcome again to another episode of Mad Monday. Today we're talking again about print speed and how to improve that. We'll focus today on hatching distance. So, quick recap, hatching distance is the distance between two vectors in your 3D printed part. And most every slicer you can adjust that. Here we have an example where we printed cubes with different settings. This was done in aluminum. And you can see that the hatch distance between the different cubes varies if you zoom in hard enough. So what does that mean? When you have a higher hatch distance, you have less vectors per layer. So that means by the same scanning speed, you're done quicker. So that will improve your print speed. But there's an important thing you have to look out for. So when you change the hatch distance, you change your energy density in your welding process. So it will drop down. And that means it will be less stable, and you have to bump that up by adjusting the laser power, so add more laser power to the process. But you cannot do that infinitely. And why is that? If you add too much power to your process, eventually you get key holding effect, so that means you get different pores but still pores in your part. So yeah, the structure of the part will be weakened. And here I have some examples. So you can see we scanned the different cubes with different parameters, and of course some got a little bit less dense than others, but you can tell that there are possibilities to increase the hatch distances and increase the laser power and still be able to get a fully dense part. So that's it for today. See you guys again next time.